This is Mr. Sultan from the Sultan CNC company. For him, it is expensive and unnecessarily time-consuming to have to recalculate the same or similar parts over and over again, even though data, working plans and costs from the past are already available. That's why he now uses the geometric similarity search of up2parts, with which he finds identical or similar components in seconds and no longer wastes resources in the calculation. And it's very simple. Step 1. He uploads his CAD model. Within seconds, the software checks whether similar or identical components are available in the database. Step 2. He selects a suitable part and adopts the work plan with one click. Step 3. Edit and save the calculation. The software automatically recalculates the process times. Now Mr. Sultan has calculated his component economically in the shortest possible time, without detours, without multiple efforts. Mr. Sultan has only advantages with the geometric similarity search of up2parts. He finds identical or similar components independent of employee knowledge. He saves enormous time and resources. He has a reliable basis for make or buy decisions. Ensure your competitive advantage with the geometric similarity search from up2parts. If you are interested or have any questions, please contact our customer service at up2parts.com.